What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Skullcandy Sesh Evo. As some of you guys know, last time we reviewed the Skullcandy Sesh Evo, which they're really kind of great and amazing headphones, and today we got something dope. So there we have it. This is the Skullcandy Sesh Evo. As some of you guys can see that this is the Sesh Evo. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of earbuds, and they're really kind of dope. So we're gonna just unbox through all these kind of earbuds and check them out. What's so special about them? What's so goody? Because they have 24 hours of battery time, which is spontaneous. But we're gonna see, is it really 24 hours or is there a little bit kind of different? So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here we have it. As you can see, this is our Skullcandy Sesh Evo. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed. Yeah guys, as you can see, this is the Sesh Evo. So these are the earbuds here, really coming in handy, which is really kind of awesome. I like the way they're kept. They're really looking great, and the form factor, as some of you guys know, Skullcandy has a great and amazing form factor throughout their products, which is really kind of awesome. The kind of stuff you're getting, a USB-C, which is really kind of dope, and you can see it has a Skullcandy logo in there, really kind of awesome. So what you get, some extra buds which you can interchange throughout your earbuds. You get a user guide from Sesh Evo, which is really kind of impressive. A problem, don't return to store. You can scan the barcode and get support. This first, I think that's how you do it before you use it, which is really kind of impressive. So you can see there at the back, it's really kind of awesome. You can see here, this is the case. It's really bigger, not that much, quite bigger, but it's, you're like, meh, this is good. You're like, meh, this is quite bigger. You know what I mean? So it's really kind of coming in handy, and I kind of like with it. And you can press here to showcase you the juice which it has. But for now, I think this kind of earbuds, they have no juice. So we just have to charge them up and explore them and see what's goody. So let us just keep them on the dock. And you can see there's nothing waking up or anything because they're drained. So we have just to charge them so as we can have a test through all this kind of Skullcandy Sesh Evo, which is really kind of impressive. Let's talk about the Skullcandy specification. So this kind of Skullcandy comes with the tile tracking, which you can pay throughout the app, and it has a music control, movie and podcast equalizer mode, which is really kind of impressive. It has an IP55 rated, sweat and water resistant, and it has up to 5 hours of playback, but on the box it's stated 24 hours. Now on the charging case with 19 additional hours, which is really kind of robust throughout this kind of Skullcandy Sesh Evo. And it has a 10 minutes and quick charge gives you up to 2 hours, which is really kind of impressive. Each earbud can be used independently, built-in mic for hands-free calls, auto pairing with the last device used. So it's really kind of keeping up with the memory, whereby you can just pair it throughout the last device which has been used, which is really coming in handy. So guys, right now we're having 2 bars, as you can see here. Let me just press there. We're having 2 bars, and we're gonna just explore this kind of Skullcandy Sesh Evo. Is it really good enough throughout the ears? Is it perfect fit? Is it impressive? So enough of me talking, let us just test them out right now. As you can see in my ears how they look like, this is how they rest. You can see here, this is how they rest. It's really coming in handy, and I kind of like loving them, the way they're steady and giving you that kind of great and amazing combination. Now we're gonna just use our phone here to pair it and listen to the music and explore how much it is. Is it good enough, or you know what I mean? Whoa, it has a bass, but on the music side, like going all the way to the music side, it's a little bit like a challenging. To be honest, on this kind of earbuds of Skullcandy, they're really immersive with the bass. It's really immersive. You feel like you are having like active noise cancellation throughout your ears, but not that much I can say, but it's really bass, so it gives you much bass. And on the music side, if you want to balance, I think you can play around with the equalizer to give you a perfect sound. But overall, it's great and amazing. That was me testing them. Now I want you guys to feel it throughout the ears, so as you can experience throughout virtually here how much the sound it is. So guys, that's what's up about the video of today. This is the Sesh Evo by Skullcandy. They're really great kind of earbuds, to be honest. They give you much better throughout the battery life. They give you much better throughout tracking, because you can't lose them because they're integrated with your tile and you can just track them down and see where they are, and they come really in handy. I kind of like that kind of feature of tile because you won't lose them. It's like having this kind of Sesh Evo headphones. They're built-in tile too, so it's a really kind of great and amazing kind of technology throughout tile to see where your products they are. It's impressive. Last but not least, let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Are the Sesh Evo something for you, or you're looking forward for the headphones which they're Sesh Evo? And you know the place where to be, place where you can get it. You can get it at Gadgetronix in Arusha. And if you wanna like get shipped throughout another region which you're living in Tanzania, well, you can get shipped throughout that region whenever you want to, and you can browse kind of like a products through Gadgetronix website, and it's really kind of impressive. Just go to the Gadgetronix website. I'll leave a link down below in the description, the contact, so as you can get support for any kind of product you want. And yeah, don't forget to use my promo code Abdulrahim113. It will be much better. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.